DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Before the masses begin to chase us, before they begin to destroy our vehicles and our homes, I think it is time we act and make hay while the sun shines. Before the masses begin to chase us, before they begin to destroy our vehicles and our homes, I think it is time we act and make hay while the sun shines.
Freedom! All prisoners must go! Freedom! 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 Prisoners! Now we need a runner! Operation Go! Freedom! 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 Prisoners! This is Benin prison, Sapla Road! Thank you! Freedom! Freedom!
All the police station.
Free the prisoners! 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 When I jump down! When I jump down! When I come outside! Free the prisoners! Yes! 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 Free them! Free them!
They check our Benin City. Hey! Hey!
Go down for Pasa Kwamba. Hey! See police station they go down. Pasa Kwamba. See tank they go down. Police station they go down. Life and direct. Pasa Kwamba. This one don't serious. So if you like say I'll call they go my ass. Almost see fire. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Pasa Kwamba.
What's what you got now? Now we want to do that. I give out there. Go for Messiah. I am Saja. Mama, give my brother too. How about that, Mama? Go for Messiah. My brother, go for Messiah. Oh, my brother, that is one. I'll be lying. I'm a secret there.
Baby, come out.
SARS and corruption. and the humongous amount paid to senators and House of Rep members. The salaries of senators and House of Rep members, that salary is choking Nigeria. The salary is kneeling on Nigeria's neck.
Man, I wake up, they don't break. They don't break. Man, I wake up, they don't break.
Boys are cooking. The turkey is already cooked. The youth donated about 4 bags of rice that they were going to cook for their future. Since Buhari and the government won't frustrate us, we will not go frustrate. If it takes us 3 months, we will continue to occupy the street. We will continue to occupy the street. We will not suffer. Youth we are hustling youth.
Marijuana and Arizona. You guys can go ahead and have no problem. Yes, send us for the shit. Thank you. God bless you.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.